Welcome back to my channel. Well, here's a quick flashback of the story so far. I'd like to also say thank you and welcome to my many new viewers over the past few weeks. I do hope you enjoy your stay on my channel. The first few days just flew by, but I have to admit we packed a lot into them. And so the second part of the journey was off to Weymouth after enjoying all the things that we had time for and Eastbourne had to offer. So enjoy the ride, off we go. While planning our drive to Weymouth, we decided we would like to pop in and have a look at the Living Museum in Singleton. We learnt all about it from that television program, Repair Shop. You know the one. It was both informative and very, very enjoyable. Have a look and judge for yourself. Now, what we didn't know was that it was a fun day here, and we were in for one heck of a surprise. Keep watching. nou dat maakt niet uit. Thee, koffie en cake wel. Dus weet je dat.
I didn't realise the car, his backpack's the car when he took.
And once again, on this delicious note, I thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video, and be sure to stay tuned in for all those wonderful adventures still to come.